You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to add the battery widget to your iPhone's lock screen. First, wake your iPhone and long press on the lock screen to enter customization mode. If you have multiple wallpapers, swipe to choose the one you want to edit. Tap Customize, select the lock screen option. Now tap the area below the time to add widgets. A widget gallery will appear at the bottom. Swipe left or right through the widget options until you find the batteries widget. You may need to tap Add Widgets to browse. The battery widget shows the charge of your iPhone and any connected devices like AirPods or an Apple Watch. Tap the batteries widget. To add it to your lock screen, you can add it in a small, medium, or large size, depending on available space. Drag it to your preferred position. Tap Done in the top right to save. The battery widget will now appear on your lock screen, updating in real time. To remove it later, long press the lock screen, tap Customize, tap the widget, and then tap the minus icon. This is a convenient way to monitor battery levels at a glance. For more simple iPhone lock screen tutorials, subscribe to the channel.